Have you wondered how mosquitoes can fly on a tree without being crushed against the walls? The answer is actually quite simple. According to Newton's first law, when the tree starts moving, the air around the mosquitoes move at the same speed. This means that even though the tree is moving fast, the mosquitoes and the air around them are relatively static. It's the same reason why you might feel like you are in the same place when you jump on a moving tree. But from the outside perspective, you are actually moving quickly. While it's too pity physics cannot help us out with getting rid of mosquitoes, there are still other methods we can use to protect ourselves. For example, our hands.